Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically going to be I'm going to show you guys my foundation routine, like when I go to work, because I'm about to head to work. So yeah, so I've already did my brows. I have an eyebrow tutorial coming soon. I got my milk of magnesia on because you guys know I'm a little oily, like combination skin, dry, oily a little bit. So yeah, my milk of magnesia has dried. And I'm using my new camera, so I hope you guys like the quality. So yeah, I think the foundation that I'm gonna use today, and I don't, I'm never like organized when it comes to my makeup. Like my makeup is everywhere. So I think the foundation I'm gonna use today is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is it right here. I am in the color 340 Cappuccino. I like this foundation because it is a light to medium coverage, and I'm going to work. I mean, at my job, I don't do much like work, like hard work. But I don't really like a heavy foundation when I go to work. So I'm just going to use that. And I'm going to use, and my brushes are dirty. I'm going to use the e.l.f. powder brush. I've been using this brush for years. So yeah, I like the way that it blends out my foundation. So we're just going to add a little bit because I do have a couple of blemishes. I want to go to... like go get a facial because like I've been breaking out more than I've ever broken out. I don't know if it's like probably because I don't eat as good as I should. That's probably why. It could be stress too, but it's probably like because I don't drink enough water or anything like that. If you hear that, that's my leg being against the cabinet because I am in my bathroom. My door usually is closed, but it's open. I forgot to close it because I got to get out of here in like the next 30 minutes. But I wanted to show you guys how I kind of do my makeup for when I go to work. So I'm just going to blend this out. I hope you guys can't hear my TV because it is up kind of loud. Baby girl is at daycare. I love taking my daughter to school or daycare, whatever you want to call it. It's such an amazing feeling seeing her grow up. It's just a great feeling. She has her book bag and all that stuff. All that stuff. So, yeah. So I'm blending it out. And it's basically blended. Then I'm going to take, I need to get me some more concealer because my concealers that I have, they're too light. And when I go to work, I don't really like a really light concealer because I don't like to be like all dolled up. I just like to, you know, be nice, even skinned girl when you come in my job. But I'm just going to use the Cool Tan. This is the LA Girl Cool Tan. And I'm just going to put a little bit underneath these eyes and over my little beauty mark and my little scar right there. Because I got black circles, so I need to cover all of this up. Okay, and then I just always like to have a slimmer nose, and then that's the only place I'm gonna put this concealer because we ain't going out, we ain't trying to get too dolled up, but we want to look decent, you know. Decent. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Dirty Beauty blender. So, yeah, I have to work today. I've been working all week. And I finally am out tomorrow, thank God. But I still have stuff that I need to do. I have to do a client's makeup and I have to do my sister's hair. And after that, I'm just gonna like chill because I don't like to do, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to do much on my off days because your off days go by so quick. And you know, I'll take my baby to daycare. I used to keep her out of daycare. Like on my off days so I can spend time with her, but I've learned my lesson. Like, I need me some me time. Like, me time is so important when you are a parent. And it was hard for me to realize that because I'm like, okay, I'm off work today. Let me, you know, spend some time with her. But she absolutely loves daycare. Like, she loves playing with kids. And, you know, I don't want to take that away from her. Like, I want her to, you know, go to daycare so she can kind of get the vibe of being around people and all that stuff like that. So I'm going to set this with my LA Colors. I think this is LA Colors. LA Colors powder and I know this is light, not translucent. And I'm just going to set that a little bit. And you want to make sure you look up so you don't get your fine lines won't pop out, because I definitely have fine lines underneath my eyes, so I have to make sure I look up and all that stuff just to make it smooth under there. So basically I just like to blend it in until it's like it's almost gone. So I found a way to like, okay, let me tell you guys. Okay, so I have this camera. I've had this camera for a while, but I was trying to find a good editing app to go on my computer. I have like an old Dell computer. I don't have an Apple computer. So I was trying to, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. I love this powder. Like, I've used all of it almost. This is in the color Classic Tan. Look. But anyway, I was trying to find a perfect editing app to edit my videos from my camera to my Dell computer. And I found some apps, but some free downloading software, whatever you want to call it. But like, it was really slow. I don't know if my computer has a virus on it or whatnot. I'm not really sure. So I just kind of did some research. I went on YouTube, of course, because YouTube is like, you know, everything's on YouTube. And I found a way to set my camera to where I can transfer my videos from my camera to my iPhone, because I do have an iPhone, and most of the time when I do record on my iPhone, I edit it with iMovie. And I'm so used to like editing with iMovie, like I can't, like I was trying to edit, I think I was using some app, I don't know the name of it, on my computer, and I was trying to edit, but it was like so difficult because I'm so used to editing with iMovie on my phone. So yeah, so I got a way to put my videos from my camera to my iPhone. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's down, like it's going down now. So I'm just basically setting everything with one powder. I usually go under my eye again with like a lighter powder, but I'm just gonna do that. Love this powder. I don't even think they sell this in this color anymore, so I don't even know. I'll have to find me another powder. I'm gonna contour a little bit because you guys know I have a very round face, because I'm chunky. So I'm just gonna use the Black Radiance. This is just a pressed powder in the color Ebonee. It's a dark color. I've been looking at this. Oh, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. mineral powder brush right here. I've been looking at this. I couldn't talk and do my makeup, Jesus. I've been looking at this bronzing powder by Anastasia. It's at Sephora. I've been wanting to go get it because I have a Sephora gift card that I got from Christmas from my sister, and I have yet to use it because, first of all, I was trying to order something online from Sephora and it wouldn't recognize the gift card. So I'm gonna have to go in the store basically. So I'm basically just kind of contour my face, definitely my cheekbones, and definitely this big forehead because I do have a large forehead. And you know what they say with girls with large foreheads, like we're the most beautiful girls in the world. No, I'm just joking. Sometimes I do my jawline. I'll just do my jawline a little bit so my jawline can stick out a little bit. I gotta get a stand for my ring light because it's kind of just sitting on my counter. Let me check the time because I do have to get out of here. Oh, I'm in perfect timing. Okay. And then I'm going to just do a little bit of highlights. And I'm just going to use my favorite highlight. But I've also been looking at some other highlights because I kind of want to try something different when it comes to makeup. I want to try some new makeup products. So I've been on the lookout, but I haven't even really purchased any yet. So I'm just going to take the Laura Geller. This is in Gilded Honey. This was my first like high-end, you would say, highlights, and I like it. And I'm just adding some to the cheek area right above that contour. I'm just gonna put a little bit because that's all you need is a little bit. Put a little bit on my nose, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin. Sometimes I get carried away. I'm just gonna put a little bit above here. Yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna do a little bit of mascara. I don't wear mascara all the time, but I'm just gonna put some on today because I'm not gonna put any lashes on. I hate wearing lashes. Like, I got an email. My daughter has an appointment. I'll tell you guys about that in another video. Oh, I got my nails done. I'm ashy, of course. Look at my nails. So pretty. I love this color. Love bright colors. But I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I don't wear mascara all the time, but I'm just gonna put some on today because I don't want to wear any lashes. I don't like, lately, like since I've, I don't know, become a mother, like lashes, sometimes they annoy what am I trying to say? Sometimes they're irritating on my eyes. I don't know if I need to change my glue or what. I don't know. I'm just still trying to figure it out. Okay. And I'm using of course I'm using the MAC Extended Play Ego Lash because it has very small bristles. And I like it. Very small bristles. Okay, we're almost done here. Almost done. And then basically I never really wear like lipstick to work. I just wear lip gloss, and this is by MAC. I don't know what it is. I don't know, but I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on, and we are done. Ugh. I probably shouldn't have licked my lips before. So yeah, this is the finished look. Stuff is everywhere. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is like my makeup, my work. How can I put this? This is like my makeup routine for when I go to work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick video, because it's going to be real quick. And I hope you guys like the better quality that I have. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, leave what kind of videos you want to see on my channel in the comment section. I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.